Hi, my name is Kip Kemboi Mayo. You can call me Kip. I'm the General Manager for Nimax East Africa. Today we're going to discuss a few topics here and there. Come with us. My role as a GM on a day-to-day basis is really strategic direction, providing the team with the necessary support. So every morning I would have a couple of check-ins with my sales team, my services team, customer service, and sometimes finance. I would start my day by just looking at my calendar and seeing what activities we have lined up. In many instances, I would set some time to visit a customer. I would have some time to check in with my services team just to see what open topics we have and where I need to step in. I like to have some one-on-one, at least with one person or two in my team. Remember, we're also looking after the entire East Africa market, so I'd have some online meetings as well to look at our Uganda operations and our Tanzania operations. I try to keep my team motivated. We have team members who know exactly what they're supposed to do at what point in time. So we don't really micromanage our team members. How do we keep them motivated? We actually celebrate our successes. No matter how small, no matter how big, we try to celebrate every milestone that we have. And it keeps them motivated because they know, they feel seen, they feel that they're valued, and also it gives them the energy to actually do the next one. What excites me about the job I do is the opportunity to provide strategic direction to this organization. Obviously, it also involves team management, empowering the teams to their full potential. Every morning knowing that we can actually leave a mark, growing this organization from one level to another, providing the best solutions, best in class for our customers, gives me the excitement every morning to wake up and to come to work. After a busy day, sometimes I'd like to take a jog. It really clears my mind. It gives me an opportunity to have some me time. And then also I like spending time with my son. It's quite exciting to, just play around with him, and it helps me wind down every day.